Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Loki, and today I'm gonna give you a tour of my new house. So I have finally moved out of my parents' place and got myself a nice decent house. It's not something big, but it should be good for now. And it's pretty empty now, but my stuffs are coming in a few days time. But for now guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of the place, just show you around, and well yeah guys, let's begin with the video as always. So guys, we are inside now, as you can see. So that's the main entrance. Let's close that door so we don't get any noises. You come in, you get this little thing where you can hang your coats, shoe cupboard or storage, whatever you want to call it. Then you have the door to this open kitchen, dining room, living room style. See, it's pretty big guys. So probably dining table there, and you've got some space here, probably the living room area. There's some frames left over from the previous owner. But yeah, as you can see, it's a nice kitchen. Hopefully we'll be doing some cooking soon. But yeah, let's carry on inside guys, just show you around here. So this is the laundry room, utility room, whatever you call it, dishwashers, and let's have a look at the first room. So this is the first room guys, probably going to be a guest bedroom, probably going to use this as my bedroom, not sure yet, but yeah, just some stuff left. And let's check out the second room. So this is the master bedroom, which got a single bed in here now, but it's a decent size. It's not huge anything, but should be good for me. And then we've got cupboards there. I'm thinking of putting the desk here. It's got a long place, and well, I'll have to see how things goes, but this is my idea to put the desk here. But yeah, we will see. Let's carry on guys. So this is the toilet. Nothing much fancy guys. Big mirror, which I really like. We've got a shower, toilet, sink. Nothing fancy in here. As you can see guys, it's a very nice big mirror. But yeah, as you can see everywhere it's just spotlights, so have to get them changed to some Philips light. See guys, it's empty. There's a lot of work I need to do. Get sofas, dining table, probably change those light or do something about that. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with the frames, if I'm going to keep them or remove them, but they look very nice. They're not anything bad. Let's have a look at this one. It looks nice, so let's see how things goes. Kitchen, nothing fancy here guys, just a normal oven, stove thing, washer, fridge. Fridge is empty if you want to have a look. Empty fridge, so I got no food, nothing, which I need to do some shopping. But yeah guys, it's pretty empty and nothing here guys. So yeah guys, as you can see, this is a small house. It's not something big. It's a 2-bedroom house with a toilet, big open living room, dining room area. The kitchen is nice as well. But yeah guys, as you can see, there's a lot of work to do, a lot of furniture to get, TVs, everything. So yeah, if you got any ideas, do let me know in the comment section guys. I'm going to go through them. But yeah, it's empty place, empty canvas, everything is white, so that's going to be really good for me. But yeah guys, if you have any ideas, do let me know in the comment section. But yeah, as always guys, thanks for watching the video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one guys. Take care.